Every time my family went out to our local Chinese restaurant, there was one dish I always had to order: salt and pepper squid. With its light, crispy batter and that bold salt and pepper seasoning, it was the perfect mix of texture and flavor. Today, I'm bringing that childhood favorite into your kitchen. Let's get started. You'll need cooking wine, garlic powder, salt and pepper, white pepper, sesame seed oil, rice flour or potato flour, baking powder, all-purpose flour, bell peppers, squid tubes, bird's eye chilies, lemon, egg, garlic, green onions. Start by cleaning and drying your squid tubes. Using a sharp knife, butterfly the squid. Now, using some paper towel, pat the squid dry. Score the inside of the squid in a crosshatch pattern, making sure not to cut all the way through. This not only helps tenderize the squid, but it gives that beautiful curl when fried. Cut them into triangles or strips. Both work for this dish. For the marinade, add to a bowl 1 large egg, half a teaspoon white pepper, one teaspoon rice flour, give it a mix. Almost forgot the sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon. Now we can add the squid. Mix the squid until every piece is coated. You can set it aside while we prep the veggies. Remove the top of the bell pepper and the core. Slice the pepper thin, as they won't be cooking for long. For the green onions, remove the bottoms and slice the white stems. We also need some of the greens for garnish. Crush 4 cloves of garlic and give them a rough slice. Last thing to cut is our bird's eye chilies. Remove the stems and thinly slice them. If you like spicy food, you can always add more than what I'm using here. For the batter, you will need half a cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup rice flour or potato flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a cup to 3/4 cup water. We want this to be thicker as the squid will thin it out. Give it a whisk. Add in 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. This helps the batter coat the squid. We also need to get our oil heated up. In a heavy bottom pot, heat your frying oil to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, back to the batter. Add the squid to the batter and give it a good mix. If it's too thin, you can always add a little more rice flour to help thicken it. Working in small batches, fry the squid for about 30 to 45 seconds. We're going to be doing a double fry on these. The first fry will cook the squid and set the batter, and the second fry will give it that crispy texture that we love. Drain the squid on some paper towel and turn the heat up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, it's time for the second fry. We're looking for a nice golden brown color and a nice crispy texture. Transfer them to some paper towel. In a wok, add 1 tablespoon oil and heat it over medium. Add in your garlic and saute for 30 seconds, making sure not to burn it. Add in the whites of the green onion. Add in the bird's eye chili. And lastly, the sliced bell peppers. Give it another 30 seconds before we add in our squid. Toss in our fried squid. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon sea salt. Now, toss it all together. A splash of cooking wine. Now, transfer it to a serving dish. Top it off with sliced green onions, and there you have it. Crispy salt and pepper squid right at home. This dish takes me right back to my childhood. Going out for Chinese food on New Year's with the family and eating way too much. What's a dish that reminds you of your childhood? Let me know in the comments below. If you're looking for more delicious recipes, why not try one of these? As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.